Kelly, and today we're making fried fish, but I'm going to share with you a different, completely new way that you can fry fish to get a crispy, delicious exterior. So let's go over the ingredients. We have about 6 strips of sailfish, oil for frying, we have 3/4 cup of milk, and our spices, we have 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 cup of cornmeal. Our first step is to soak our fish in milk. Yep, soaking our fish in milk. This is going to be so crispy, you're going to love it. Allow it to soak for about 10 or so minutes. And while this is soaking, we're going to go ahead and make the rub. Now we're going to prepare our rub. So we have our cornmeal and we're going to add our seasoning. Normally when I'm frying fish, I would always use a double breading method, and I will use flour and breadcrumbs. But today we're doing something different. We're going to use seasoned cornmeal. Now if I've used a seasoning that you don't use, there's a particular seasoning that you like, feel free to use it. I'm using just the curry, paprika, all-purpose seasoning. But if you want to add something different that you like, go ahead, because we're going to add it to our rub, and it's going to give you a crispy, delicious exterior. Now our oil is on, getting hot, so we're going to remove our fish from the milk, and we're going to not flour it, we're going to dredge it in this cornmeal, and we're going to fry it. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add it to our batter. We're going to just add 2 of them.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
Crispy sailfish is done and it looks amazing. Now it's time to taste. I think I'm gonna take just a bit of this one here. Oh, how crispy. Nice and soft on the inside. Just look at it. I'm gonna just dip it in my favorite dip, spicy sweet chili sauce. This makes everything taste even better. Now the taste. Delicious. Crispy on the outside, soft, moist on the inside, and well seasoned. Highly recommended. Like I said, if you want perfectly crispy fish, this is one method to try. Crispy fried fish. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.